Hi everyone, today we would like to discuss the issue about the climate change, rising global temperature SDG 13. Are we healing the world? Climate change is no longer a distant threat, it is happening right now. And one of its more visible effects is rising global temperature. Under the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 13, climate actions, we are asked a powerful question. Are we healing the world or are we still making it worse?
We would like to focus on two key points: how human actions are increasing the global temperature, what positive steps we can take to reduce the rising global temperature. Okay, how are human action increasing the global temperature?
Firstly, let's look at the human activity behind this problem. Burning fossil fuel. Every time we drive a car, run factory, or generate electricity from coal, oil, we release greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane. These gases act like a heat blanket around the earth, trapping the sun heat and causing the global warming. Deforestation. Forests are known as the lung of the earth. They absorb carbon dioxide, release oxygen, but when tree cuts down for agriculture, cities, or industry, we lose this natural cooling system and more carbon stay in the atmosphere. A sustainable lifestyle from fast fashion to a single-use plastic and excessive energy consumption, our demand for convenience put pressure on the planet, waste in the landfill, release methane, while industry pollute our air, water, and oil. The global temperature already rise by 1.2 degrees Celsius since the pre-industrial time. The year 2023 was officially the hottest year ever recorded in the human history. Heatwave in India, Spain reached above 45 degrees Celsius, causing deaths and crop failures. Melting ice cap in Greenland and Antarctica are pushing sea level higher, threatening coastal cities. All of these examples show us a human action are directly driving rise in global temperature.
But here's the good news. Human causes the problems and humans can also fix it. Under SDG 13, many positive actions are already happening. First point, switching to renewable energies. Countries are moving away from coal and oil to clean energy sources like solar, wind, and hydro. For example, Denmark generates nearly half of its electricity from wind power. Second point, reforestation and conservation. Projects like the Great Green Walls in Africa are planting millions of trees to restore ecosystems, absorb carbons, and reduce desertifications. Third point, sustainable transportations. Electrical vehicles, high-speed train, cycling, and better public transport reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. Norway, for instance, now sells more electric cars than petrol cars. Global cooperations. The Paris Agreement commits countries to keep global warming below 1.5 degrees Celsius. International climate conference like COP bring leaders together to find solutions. Last point, individual actions, and let's not forget the power of ordinary peoples. Small steps like conserving energy, reducing plastic, recycling, and planting trees become powerful when millions adopt them. Yachts like movements such as Fridays for Future prove that even young voice can drive global change. In conclusion, rising global temperature are one of the clearest warnings of climate change. They show us the damage caused by human action, but also remind us that we have the power to heal. SDG 13's climate action is not just the responsibility of government or organizations. It is also a personal duty, emphasize personal duty. Every action, big or small, matter in slowing down of the global warming.
So I ask you, are we healing the world or are we harming it further? The answer depends on the choice we make today. Together, let us choose renewable energy, reforestation, sustainable living, and cooperation together. Let us ensure the world that it's not just hotter and harsher, but greener, cleaner, and safer for the future generation to come. Thank you.
So, what are we waiting for? The time is now. Let us rise together.
Take the bold action and heal the world as the one united force.
So that's all from us, and thank you.